I'm Nikita Davda. Here's wishing Meesho a very, very happy 6th birthday.
My name is Pawan Patil, wishing Meesho and the entire team a very happy 6th birthday.
Hi, I'm Shikhar and I'm very excited about Meesho having its 6th birthday.
Having witnessed the entire growth journey, key call-out would be how we had scaled and re-architected our tech stack to support this phenomenal growth.
I've been parting on office desks when we were 1 lakh orders big, and today we're at 1 million, and it's a great feeling.
And I remember the first instance of growth, which was 2 weeks after I joined. Our order numbers had already doubled compared to when I had joined, right? And I joined shortly after our Series A. Within 6 months, we had raised our Series B. In another 6 months, we had raised our Series C. And in another 6 months, we had raised our Series D, right? And it was not just this external funding that was coming, but our internal order numbers were just going through the roof.
I've been at Meesho 2.5 years now. So I recall this goal we took on to be the most affordable fashion destination in the country. And that was when we, as a team, all of us came together and we actually broke the pricing of fashion products down to the last rupee. Every element of cost, including the supplier's perception of these, was baked in. And we actually came up with a series of initiatives that ended up making this objective a reality of us being a very, very affordable destination for online fashion in the country.
So I joined Meesho in 2018. One of the exciting projects I worked on in Meesho was actually our category navigation. So if you open the Meesho app, you realize that our shopping experience is actually very different from other shopping apps. And one of the fundamental reasons for that is that when a user opens Meesho, they don't always have a very specific need in mind, this is what I want to buy. So when we built our shopping experience, we spoke to a lot of users in a lot of detail. We did a lot of user interviews, and even before launching, we did video calls with our customers, showed them our MVP and took their feedback. And that's why when we finally launched it, we had a huge jump in terms of our conversion. And that's one of the amazing projects that I remember working on.
I joined in December 2016. One of the exciting projects was Meesho Community. When the pandemic hit last year, the engagement on our platform was all-time low. And the entire team from tech, product and design came together and we built Meesho Community for our users. Everything from the conceptualization to execution was done within a month. This resonated with one of the Meesho values, speed over perfection. We have had times when achieving a goal was a cross-team, cross-org effort. We have exceptional synergy across teams. Seeing everyone working with the same zeal to achieve this common goal always keeps you motivated.
It's a culture of fast-paced work, yet one where everyone understands what they need to do to meet the overall, big, hairy, audacious goals. Place where you'll find that your team or your peers are bringing you up to be better every day.
So if I be honest, Meesho's strength lies in not focusing on the competition at all and instead focusing on our users. Till date, a lot of our core team members are connected to dozens of customers on WhatsApp. If a customer has a problem, it won't be a surprise at all if they message our CEO and they get a reply back instantly.
Along with getting to work on cutting-edge technologies, one thing that I have personally benefited from being the part of a tech team is getting to understand the business side of things. Closely working with highly motivated colleagues and a 10x mindset, solving hard and unique problems, you get a holistic view of the problem at hand.
Business team at Meesho is a lean killer machine. You have to come here if you enjoy learning, if you enjoy autonomy, if you enjoy running a huge business.
I think one of the things that product managers enjoy a lot about Meesho is that we are one of the very few companies who are trying to solve a very unique problem for tier 2 and tier 3 users in India. So if you are someone who is excited about the next billion users, you like to solve problems through first principles, like to move fast, I think you'll really enjoy it here.